I just wanted to show you this Chicken Caravan 30 setup. So I'll just run you through. So we've got the chicken mesh all set up there, and I'll take you inside and show you how it's all working. We've got a few young little pullets under there. They're not laying yet, so we don't have any eggs. So I'll show you around this Chicken Caravan 30. Okay, so here's the door here to collect the eggs. You pull that down. These chickens have been laying golf balls. Not really, that's just in there so they know where to lay. There's our intelligent Chicken Master ultimate control box that powers and runs and does all this cool stuff. Just close that up. So obviously this is where the eggs roll down. You collect them here, you put like a egg carton right here, collect them into, and then just close it up. Jump in the top now. Got a solar panel on top. It's got a solar panel on both sides there. So in this side, this is obviously just where the nesting box is. That's where we were just looking before. We've got a 30 litre water drum, and we've got this, this is a cool funnel that actually fills up the feeder. So you put, see if I can get the camera down in there. So you put the feed down in there, and it goes out the bottom and straight into the feeder. So you don't have to worry about sort of spilling feed. And down the side here, here's the feeder. So there's the funnel up in there, and then the chickens can eat straight from this feeder. So that's the nesting box side. And we'll come around this other side here. We've got a few ventilation holes in here. And the thing with the roof of this, I'll just zoom in here, coming close. This roof, it's got an air pocket, so you can see sort of the width of that roof. It's got a piece of tin underneath and tin on top, so there's actually air in there. So that's actually an insulation gap. We've got these holes down the side here, and then obviously because it's got the mesh floor, it's got massive ventilation, so you can see straight through the floor there. So that's the ventilation. You can see the feeders under there, that's hanging underneath. And there's the nesting boxes. So we've got two nesting box flaps. The chickens just push in past them, and they can lay their eggs in there. So here, this is an actual actuator. So this opens and closes this door. So at night, you don't need to worry about locking your chickens in or letting them out in the morning. That open and closes automatically. I'll shut that down here. And that's all there is to it to move the Chicken Caravan 30. So, hope you've enjoyed that. That is the Chicken Caravan 30 with the happy little chickens here. So it can hold up to 30 chickens. I think we've got about 12 chickens right here, with a bit of a view out to the ocean here at Gerringong, New South Wales, Australia.